What it do, baby? Hello guys, how you doing today? Today we're gonna do some trout. It looks like salmon though. First, we're going to cut it. Took me forever to cut this. About 3 knives later, when I finally got the skin cut, now I'm patting it dry because you don't want it to splash all over when you're frying it. Okay, we're gonna put a bunch of garlic on it. Be real generous with it. All these ingredients that I'm gonna put on it, they're just kind of optional. The more of these ingredients you put on it, the better it's gonna taste. But really all you need is this garlic powder and salt. Okay, I'm gonna use some black pepper. Men, if you're watching this, guys, don't get any funny ideas at this moment, okay? We're just grinding pepper. That's all we're doing here. All right, we're gonna add some of these pepper into our little fish. Bam, 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 bam. Just like that. You want to be kind of generous with this one. Not too much, not too little. Now we're going to use some paprika. Paprika. Most people are scared to use paprika, but I'm a brave individual. So here we go, baby. Cilantro leaves. Not too many of these because these ones kind of, they burn a little bit easier than the other things. So not too much of this, but still enough. We're gonna use some chili powder now. Yes, you heard right. Chili powder. That's gonna give it, I feel like, the most flavor. After the garlic though, the garlic is the essential. Okay, so we're not gonna put the salt on just yet. Now we're gonna cut a lemon. We're gonna make 3 thin slices. You gotta make them real neat and you'll see why at the end of the video, which you might have already seen why with the cover of this video. But yeah, we're just gonna put these 3 thin slices to the side. Make sure you take all the seeds out. This one had hella seeds, so many of them, but we're gonna make just 3 of these, and then whatever's left of the lemon, we're gonna squeeze it onto our fish. Okay, just a few drops. Don't overdo it just yet because we're gonna add more a little later once this one cooks a little bit. So we're just gonna do a few drops of this and then a few drops of orange. I know what you're thinking. Just trust me, okay? Trust me, I got you, boo. It's gonna be delicious. Just do as I say. Now I'm gonna use some masola oil because this one is supposed to be healthier for your heart. I don't know if that's true or not, but just in case, but you can use any vegetable oil. We're gonna go ahead and put it at medium heat. You just wait for it to heat up for about 2 minutes, and then you put the side that we already seasoned, you put it face down. And I tried to poke some holes here to make the flavor go in a little bit, but this skin of this type of fish was not having it. So even if you don't poke holes, it's fine. Just go ahead and put your garlic on there and all the rest of your seasonings. We're just going to repeat the same seasonings that we did on the bottom side. Chili, some paprika or paprika, however you pronounce it. Okay, we're just going to add that on. We're going to do our black pepper, cilantro leaves, salt, a little bit of lime juice again, or lemon, not lime, a little bit of the orange juice, just a few drops. Alright, now let's flip it over. Usually by the time that you finish putting all the seasonings on the other side, it's already time to flip it over. We're going to do the salt on the other side since we didn't before. So fish is really fast to cook, so you don't have to do it for a long time, but let's add a little bit more garlic powder because you can never have enough of it. This is literally the main flavor, the garlic, so don't be scared. Trust me, just trust me, okay? You'll love it. We're gonna go ahead and move it to low heat. Let's go ahead and poke some holes on that bad boy. You know, if you have any anger, just take it out on that. No, I'm just kidding. You have to cook with love or else it won't taste good. That's the main ingredient, is love. So let's poke some holes so that the juices can get soaked up. This side is already finished, but I'm making a few holes so that when I add a little bit more of lemon and orange, it can go inside of the fish. It makes it taste so much better, and that's literally it. We're done. This side is already done. Now we're just waiting for the skin to fry a little bit longer for about 5 more minutes, and that's it. It's a super fast, simple meal, and here it is. This is what we did with our 3 lemon slices, and then you can just chop up some not onions, but lettuce. Put some lettuce there. I have these sauteed onions from a meal that I cooked previously before this one, so they're still warm. And if you have any laying around, just go ahead and add them to your fish. If not, it's fine. It's gonna taste amazing by itself because I made this recipe and I'm the best chef in the world, so it's gonna be delicious and I know you're gonna love it. So go ahead and make this for your spouse or your children or for yourself. You know, treat yourself, boo-boo, okay? You're special too. Love yourself. Keep happy thoughts, keep positive thoughts. You know, don't forget to pray and meditate and do what you gotta do to inner heal, baby. All right? And this fish is gonna help too. It's gonna help your mental, your brain, your body. So go ahead and make this recipe and I hope you guys love it. Actually, I know you're gonna love it. That's it. Love you guys. Bye-bye.